Good day. Today we're looking at the Progwhiz face recognition scanner for Windows operating system. So we have the credentials preset. We're going to be using a webcam. For this example, we can use IP cameras as well. And what we'll have to do is click on the email that we set, and it will fetch the campaigns company department relevant to this credential. See the campaign list populated. We choose the one for this demonstration. Now the start scanner is not grayed out, is enabled. So what we'll do is press start scanner, and what it will do, it will take a picture of the person before the camera, send that encoded image format representation to a cloud server, which will then compare the signature of that face with other signatures registered previously. If it's recognized, it will respond with the relevant information and picture. If not, it will also respond to say not recognized and not permitted entry. So without further ado, I'll press start scanner, and it found the face and is recognized, and all the relevant information is displayed. There's a delay for 6 seconds. You can reduce or increase that depending on the needs. We also have the ability to not allow same ID in consecutive. That will prevent duplicate scannings in error and then misrepresent the information, historical information. So I'm going to stop the scanner. So there we have it.